Russia plans to extend rocket artillery range over 185 miles. Russia's NPO Splav, the nation's key missile manufacturer, has officially launched a major upgrade program for its 300mm rockets, which are currently deployed on the BM-30 Smerch and Tornado-S multiple launch rocket systems MLRS. The goal is ambitious, to extend the operational range of these systems well beyond 300 kilometers, significantly enhancing their strike capabilities. While Russia's rocket artillery capabilities are grounded in a mix of Soviet-era and modernized systems, the focus is now on expanding the reach and precision of its heavy artillery. Systems like the BM-21 Grad, BM-27 Uragan, and BM-30 Smerch have already seen substantial upgrades, especially with the integration of the Tornado G and Tornado S variants. The key to these developments is the 300mm rocket, the heavy-hitting projectile capable of striking targets at ranges up to 200 kilometers, depending on the version used. These extended ranges have proven invaluable, particularly in counter-battery operations against systems like the U.S. supplied HIMARS and M270 multiple launch systems used by Ukrainian forces. Before Russia's invasion of Ukraine, estimates suggested that the country had a stockpile of between 100 and 170 BM-30 Smerch units, with around 20 Tornado-S in active service. These numbers have likely increased as more units were delivered to frontline units, but precise figures remain elusive. Despite losses in combat, Oryx reports at least 2 BM-30 Smerch systems destroyed. Their role as a key artillery asset remains vital. Their range advantage over Ukrainian systems is often a decisive factor in battles, providing Russia with the ability to strike deep behind enemy lines. In early December of last year, news broke of NPO Splav's ambitious modernization plans, which aim to increase both the range and accuracy of these systems. One of the key innovations being worked on is a new guided hypersonic missile with a ramjet engine, expected to revolutionize the capabilities of the BM-30 and Tornado-S. Alongside this, NPO Splav plans to overhaul existing 9M55FK and 9M544-549 rocket variants, improving their aerodynamics and integrating new solid fuel propulsion systems. The result would be an impressive range extension of up to 200 kilometers, vastly increasing the firepower of these already formidable launchers. But the most radical development in the pipeline is the creation of a new 300mm guided missile that could reach an astonishing 300 to 330 kilometers, 180 plus miles. Designed with an integrated rocket engine and retractable air intakes, this missile would bring Russian artillery capabilities closer to those of the Iskander-M missile system, although with a smaller warhead. However, despite the exciting prospects, the timeline for this breakthrough remains uncertain. While NPO Splav is making strides, the challenges involved in developing such an advanced weapons system mean that this capability is likely years away from deployment. Still, the potential impact of such technology on the battlefield cannot be overstated, as it would dramatically enhance the operational reach and effectiveness of Russia's artillery forces. The Tornado G and Tornado S are two prominent variants of Russia's modernized multiple launch rocket systems MLRS, both designed and produced by the Russian defense manufacturer NPO Splav. These systems are built to offer enhanced firepower and precision, with substantial improvements over older Soviet-era systems like the BM-21 Grad and BM-27 Uragan. While both systems share a similar design concept, there are key differences in terms of their operational capabilities, targeting precision, and technological advancements. The Tornado G, introduced in the late 2000s, is the upgraded version of the BM-21 Grad, Russia's well-known 122mm rocket system. It was designed to improve the range, accuracy, and efficiency of its predecessor while maintaining compatibility with existing Grad rockets. The Tornado G is equipped with an advanced fire control system that integrates modern navigation and targeting equipment, significantly improving its precision and reducing the time required for deployment and reloading. This system can carry a variety of rocket types, including cluster munitions, high-explosive rockets, and guided projectiles. The primary advantage of the Tornado G lies in its ability to carry a larger payload than the BM-21 Grad, as well as the precision enhancements that allow it to deliver more accurate strikes on distant targets. The Tornado S, on the other hand, represents the next leap forward in Russian rocket artillery, built as a more advanced successor to the BM-30 Smerch system. The Tornado S is a 300mm MLRS capable of launching longer-range rockets, offering an unprecedented combination of range, accuracy, and payload capacity. This system is primarily designed for strategic and tactical strikes against high-value targets, including command centers, air defense systems, and troop concentrations. The Tornado S features a more sophisticated targeting and guidance system, which allows it to launch guided missiles with pinpoint accuracy at extended ranges, up to 120 to 200 kilometers, depending on the missile variant. It also incorporates automated fire control systems that allow for rapid reaction times and minimal human input, significantly enhancing its operational flexibility and speed. The key difference between the Tornado G and Tornado S lies in their rocket caliber and range. The Tornado G uses 122mm rockets, with a maximum range of around 40 kilometers, depending on the type of munitions used. This makes the Tornado G effective for more localized, tactical operations where shorter range strikes are sufficient. In contrast, the Tornado S utilizes 300mm rockets, with ranges extending from 120 kilometers to as much as 200 kilometers in some versions. The Tornado S is specifically designed to engage high-value targets deep behind enemy lines, making it a more strategic asset for larger-scale operations. It can deliver heavier payloads, including guided missiles, and its longer range allows it to strike with greater precision over a broader area. The primary advantage of the Tornado G lies in its ability to carry a larger payload than the BM-21 Grad, as well as the precision enhancements that allow it to deliver more accurate strikes on distant targets. The Tornado S, on the other hand, represents the next leap forward in Russian rocket artillery, built as a more advanced successor to the BM-30 Smerch system. The Tornado S is a 300mm MLRS capable of launching longer-range rockets, offering an unprecedented combination of range, accuracy, and payload capacity. This system is primarily designed for strategic and tactical strikes against high-value targets, including command centers, air defense systems, and troop concentrations. The Tornado S features a more sophisticated targeting and